It is understandable that you may want to take your time deciding on quality of life insurance. Slowing down and getting all of your questions answered often makes coming to a decision easier and obvious. It's important that you feel confident that you've done as much as you can to protect your family and yourself for whatever comes your way. So many of life's challenges can be foreseen and planned for. Consider the advantages of planning for your life rather than trying to respond to whatever may come. The agent with you now is certified to help you determine that your plans are adequate to protect what's essential to you.
We all have financial goals. The challenge is how to afford them. How do you choose what's right for your family and your budget? After all, there are only so many dollars to go around. For example, think of a family of 4 with an annual household income of $75,000. After taxes, this family probably brings home about $4,300 a month. Most of this, or $3,300, will be spent on true necessities, items such as the mortgage or rent payment, utilities, groceries, clothing, and transportation. That leaves $1,000. About half of that amount, or $400, will be spent on things like cable TV, internet access, cell phones, eating out, family vacations, and a long list of many other things American families have come to enjoy. About $500 will be spent on financial security necessities, such as auto, medical, and homeowners insurance. This family would only have around $100 left over to spend for life insurance, disability insurance, critical illness, and long-term care, not to mention important goals like saving for retirement or paying for college tuition. Families shouldn't have to sacrifice one area of protection to pay for another. But that's exactly the situation facing America's middle class today. Historically, the insurance industry has offered multiple products to meet various needs, all with their own premiums and policy fees. To adequately provide protection, you would need to purchase life, disability, critical illness, and long-term care coverage, and possibly other types of coverage particular to your situation. The family in our example would need to spend about $400 a month to address all of their needs. Yet remember, our family only has $100 left to spend. The challenge they face is how to stretch those dollars.
American General Life and Accident Insurance Company, AGLA, is committed to serving the needs of today's middle-market consumers and Main Street small business owners. We provide secure futures for our customers through affordable, highly differentiated product solutions that help meet a lifetime of financial needs. Solutions such as protecting loved ones, bringing college dreams to life, and providing for retirement. Competitively priced life insurance, annuities, and accident and health products are available to satisfy the financial needs and risk tolerance of our customers. For more than a century, AGLA's commitment to provide high-quality customer service has emphasized personal contact. We are pleased to be an organization that has earned the confidence and trust of millions of Americans. Today, we proudly serve over 3 million customers across the United States. In the 5 years ending in 2007, AGLA paid out $3.6 billion in benefits to over 600,000 policy owners. We have approximately 1,100 employees who work in Middle Tennessee and approximately 4,500 total employees nationwide. AGLA's quality of life insurance is changing the way Americans think about, purchase, and use life insurance. The agent with you now is certified to help you determine whether quality of life, insurance, and AGLA are right for you. At AGLA, it's your money, your insurance, your choice.
The optional disability income rider provides a monthly benefit if you are unable to work due to an illness or condition. This benefit is paid whether your condition happens while you are on the job or not. If you qualify, this rider can be added to your policy for an additional monthly premium. Unlike the accelerated benefit riders, utilizing this benefit does not reduce your base life insurance benefit. You can choose from 2 options: disability income for up to 2 years, or disability income for up to 5 years. The important question is, how long can you financially survive a disability? The agent with you now can help you determine your disability income protection needs. Talk about which option might be right for you. What happens next? We want to thank you for your business and congratulate you for taking this important step in protecting your family's financial well-being. Now that you have seen the valuable protection that quality of life insurance can provide for you and your beneficiaries, there are a few important steps to make sure you qualify for and receive the amount of coverage you have applied for in a timely manner. If you haven't done so already, work with your agent to complete and sign the necessary paperwork. Be sure to answer the questions on the application as thoroughly as you can, so our underwriting department may make the fairest possible decision. Step 2 may be a physical examination. Within a few days, you will receive a call to schedule a convenient time for the paramedic to perform the exam. This exam includes several tests and may include a blood analysis. If the exam includes a blood analysis, try to schedule it for a time that will allow you to fast for 8 hours beforehand. And remember, the sooner you can meet with the examiner, the sooner the company can consider your application. Don't delay getting the protection you need. Step 3. The examination results should be in the hands of our underwriting department within a week of the examination and the policy considered for issue shortly thereafter. If additional information is required by our underwriting department, it will be requested and the application processed when this information is received. If your application is approved, your agent will deliver it to you and thoroughly review the policy so you can be sure that you have received the coverage you have applied for. You have seen how different quality of life insurance truly is, and you can see the difference this innovative life insurance coverage can make in planning for your financial future. Do you think it might do the same for others? Perhaps you can think of a family member or a friend who could benefit from the same protection quality of life insurance is offering you. The agent with you now is certified to analyze people's insurance needs to see if quality of life insurance is right for them. Please take a moment to provide referrals to 3 of your friends or relatives.
American General Life and Accident came into my life at the right time. I was ready to hear the quality of life insurance message because some of the changes going on in my life. People are always wary and hesitant to speak with insurance salespeople, and I was no exception. As many of the focus group participants we interviewed said, people are afraid that they will be sold a policy with hidden strings or restrictive guidelines. People also tend to walk through life with blinders on, never really wanting to think, what if? So when I was asked to work with AGLA to develop the Quality of Life Insurance DVD, I happened to be right in the middle of planning a wedding and buying a new office building for my company, an advertising and PR agency located in Roanoke, Virginia. The wedding was stressful enough, and with the purchase of our new office space, my business partner and I were facing a renovation project on a historic 17,000 square feet warehouse that could take years to complete. I was experiencing dramatically increased responsibility, which caused me to focus on the things I really valued and wanted to protect in my life. On the day we filmed the focus group footage that appears in the DVD, the company's representatives were very careful to present the coverage terms in a fair and complete manner. They worked so hard to make the facts clear, yet let the individuals draw and share their own conclusions. On that day, I sat in a room and watched a monitor as person after person shared their real-life stories, where lives had been devastated by unexpected illness. These people were randomly selected. They shared no common gender, race, age, or background, yet each was personally touched and each was really moved by what quality of life insurance offered. So was I. After returning from my honeymoon and wrapping up the DVD project, I asked my wife to watch the video before the sales folks even had it. She immediately saw the benefits of this policy, so much so that she wanted to drop the term life policy she had and create a new policy for our new family. We were probably the easiest sell our agent Brian Assenet had ever had, because I knew the policy benefits very well after working on the DVD project so extensively. Brian kept asking if we had questions, and we kept asking where to sign. We were very happy with our policy, so I asked Brian to go in and see our office manager. Since we were buying that new building, the buy-sell agreement and the supporting life insurance policy that protects my business partner and me was becoming obsolete. Brian suggested a policy that was a perfect solution for my business partner and me. We also found out that Brian could even save us money on life insurance policies that we have in place for every employee as a part of our benefits package. I thought I was the smart one, a small agency in Roanoke, Virginia, proving themselves and getting a chance to work with a nationally respected brand like AGLA was a big coup, and the project was fantastic. But in the end, with 2 personal quality of life insurance policies for my wife and me, the 2 policies for my business partner and me, and the 12 policies for each one of our employees, I'm pretty sure AGLA did okay too. But we cannot be happier, both to be a part of your extended team in helping AGLA take quality of life insurance messages to their audience, but also to be a part of your customer family as well. Thanks, Tony Pierman.